We're in the 5th year of being the TripAdvisor Traveler's Choice, which means we're one of the top 10% of companies that do tours worldwide.
Mr. Worldwide.
And you know what, Jay?
What?
One of the most searched for terms
Search for?
yes,
Yes.
on Google is 5-star marine reviews. And you know what? Our website doesn't even come up. So we're going to do a video now to talk to where you can find reviews about our company, some of the highlights of the reviews that we have.
Reviews?
Yeah, some of the highlight of the reviews we have. And if you want to leave a review, where you should leave it.
Okay, was that the intro?
Yes.
Good, right. Miguel, do your thing.
Hi there guys, Shaun here from 5-Star Marine with the Review King Jay.
Hello, I'm the Review King Jay, and I've got a 5-star Marine Thermos cup. It keeps hot things hot and cold things cold. How does it do it? I don't know. You can buy these from our website. Just go to our website where you can leave us a review. See what I did there?
I would like to say
What?
when I go on holiday, one of
Yes.
the things that I do
Yes.
before booking a tour, before booking a hotel, or before booking a guide, I go and look for reviews.
Do you?
Because- Yeah, I do. I want to know what other people have to say, both good and bad,
Do
about
you-
the company that I'm going to book with.
Okay, do you go to the reviews and click on the bad ones first?
Yes.
Okay, and do you then read the responses?
Yes, I do.
Because I take more from the responses than I do from the review
I
itself.
think any single company that's been operating for a significant period of time is going to have a bad review.
Of
If
course.
they don't, the profile itself is probably fake. So what I want to do is, how did they respond? What was the manager, owner, social media content creator, whoever it is that responded? What did they say?
Or Mr. AI now.
Yeah, and it's the same like when we're parenting. When we're parenting kids, both you and I are parents. Our kids are not perfect.
What? Mine are.
Our kids make mistakes, and one of the steps towards reconciling
Reconciling? That's
post
not a
the
word.
mistake is having the child admit what they did wrong.
Sorry, what's this got to do with reviews?
We'll get there. I'll join it for you.
Could you?
So,
Could you get there a bit quicker?
so I think that's one of the things. If you go to our profiles, you're going to see thousands of reviews. Most of them are 5-star, 1 or 2 4, and 1 or 2 1-star.
Sorry about that one.
Yeah.
I didn't like them. They were annoying me.
But what I really think that you should do when you're looking at the reviews is look for the things that match what the experience you're looking for. So if you're reading a review about James Bond and you're going to go to PP, probably not a great idea to read that review, because it's going to say there's no snorkeling, it's canoeing, the water is not clear. That is not reflective of what you're going to experience in PP.
It's very true. People do that.
Yeah.
So, oh my God, your review says no snorkeling. It's really cloudy. Yeah, that's because you're in Pangar Bay. It's a silty bottom, and when you have a silty bottom, you can't really see through it.
So I am a big advocate
Are
of
you?
reading reviews, and I think places where we would traditionally look is something like TripAdvisor.
Yeah, I have an issue with TripAdvisor.
Oh,
No, but can I be honest with you with
Yes.
TripAdvisor? I never really liked TripAdvisor reviews years ago because you could always just leave a review on TripAdvisor without even going on whatever you were doing. There was no kind of, you didn't have to prove that you'd been on the tour or stayed at a hotel, and then their review goes on straight away, and it took like 2, 3, 4 weeks sometimes for the owner to reply to that review.
yeah, we have reviews like that. People that reviewed our company that actually never went on our company.
Yeah.
We don't have their booking. We don't have their booking ID. We contact them directly. They don't have any details. Because we operate in a pier where there are other tour companies.
That's right.
And sometimes being the largest tour company on the pier, they see our sign and they review us.
Largest and the nicest.
On top of that, then
Yes.
I would go to Google Reviews.
I like Google reviews.
Google Reviews is a great place, and they allow you to upload photos so you
Yes.
can show the actual experience.
That's right.
Another place, Facebook.
Yes. I don't often use Facebook review personally.
And also one of the things that I like to do is go to Instagram and see what users have tagged our company in a post that they did, so I can go see the photos and stalk what they
Do
did
you?
as well. Yeah, I
You're a
do that.
stalker.
I am a social media stalker.
Which is your favourite review site?
Look, in our industry, I think TripAdvisor by far is the best review site.
should I not have said what I said before then?
Yeah, look.
It's a legitimate thing.
It's a legitimate site. It's a little bit like Trustpilot in some other industries. It's like Rotten Tomatoes in the film industry.
Oh, what's Trustpilot? Is that for planes?
Trustpilot is a US-based review site, but mainly for service-based businesses. So a business like us, we can't have a account on Trustpilot. But if you're in the US, you're looking for a doctor.
Why is it called Trustpilot? I wonder.
I don't know. I really don't know, to be honest.
That's strange, isn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So this will be a recommendation I give you. And the other thing, this is the top
Oh,
tip.
he touched my knee.
Top
I liked
tip,
it.
top tip.
I liked it.
What did he say?
I find a lot of guests contact me after reading reviews and say, I read in this review that this guest went here. Can I have that in my itinerary?
Really?
Yes.
Wow. People got that much time on their hands.
No, it's because a lot of our guests spend months planning their holiday, and the private tour may be the highlight of the entire holiday.
Don't spend too many months because we run out of boats for high season. So if I was you, I'd book now.
Yeah. A recent example is I had a tour that went out into the Hong Karabi area.
Love Hong Krabi, beautiful.
And
but there it is.
the guest asked specifically, I would like to go to Ban Rim Nam to have lunch because I've read all the reviews on your TripAdvisor listing, and that is the most mentioned restaurant. And so we can go tell our guide the guest would like to go here. This
Good
is why I
dessert.
think that
Good dessert.
and the amazing. Can you get that dessert anywhere else on this island?
No, it's a special dessert.
Yeah, it's a what's the word? What's the word? It's a
Special
exclusive.
dessert.
Exclusive.
Exclusive, yeah? No, because it's
Specialty.
Specialty.
Chef specialty.
I don't know, chef special sauce, that's something completely different.
I cooked last night.
What did you cook last
I
night?
cooked Mexican.
Did you?
Yeah, and you know tonight?
Arriba, arriba!
I'm
What did you do?
cooking-
Let me guess what you cooked. You cooked tacos.
No.
Fajitas. Who's
I
fajita?
did burritos.
Burritos?
Yeah.
The same thing, though,
I'm
isn't it?
doing a herb crusted beef tonight.
Good choice, good choice. Is it halal? It what? What? Ask again? Is it halal? It's
Herb crusted beef.
halal.
Herb crusted beef?
Yeah.
What?
And with a nice side salad.
Herb crusted beef?
Well, in my newfound life, I'm trying to find things that you
No.
told me to find a hobby.
Yeah, I did say
I'm
find a
cooking.
hobby. I did.
What Lisa said.
I did tell you.
find a hobby without a knife.
Okay, yeah, that's probably not a good idea giving you a knife. But what beef are you using? Because normally herb crusted you use with a rack of lamb, not with beef.
Yeah, it's this long and it's a little bit cylinder, so I can put some oil on the outside,
Fillet.
roll it.
It's a beef fillet.
Yeah.
Oh, it's gone for the top cut, hasn't he? Just don't overcook it, yeah.
The only thing I don't know how to make
What?
salad.
Hiya. Vegetable tastes like sad anyway. Don't eat vegetable.
Salad?
You cut some tomato
Mate,
up
no,
and
you go
call it a
to
salad.
go to Villa Market. Other shops are available, of course. You try a bag of salad. It's
Oh.
already there, pre-mixed. Whichever one you like. I don't like tomatoes. I don't
Did you
put
find out
tomatoes.
about that on TripAdvisor?
No, I don't. I'll be honest with you. I don't really use TripAdvisor that much.
So when you went to Safari
Yes.
about a year and a bit ago,
Yes.
how did you know that the Safari company that you were going to go on was good?
I didn't
Then why did you go?
because I didn't book it.
Uh,
My dad booked it.
and I would say another thing.
But no, I haven't finished what I was going to say. I prefer Google reviews.
Okay.
So I like Google. So I will leave Google reviews thing, but I don't do it very often. I'm not one of these what they just
The
review
only
everything.
downside I find about Google reviews is over the last 3 years,
Yes.
they've downgraded the functionality of Google reviews, so it is becoming more difficult to remove what we call fake reviews that are not for your company. So this is what happens in Alpia. We're 5-Star Marine, we run private tours.
Yes, we do.
Next door to us, there is a company, and I won't use their name. They run group tours, and quite often the group tour comes and writes on our page, this group tour was overcrowded, there's too many people on the boat, and I'm like, we don't operate group tours. You're on the wrong operator, wrong review site. Like, we respond so that they know what's going on, but I think it's very, very important to be certain that we're reading the right reviews as well.
I think this video.
And I think there's another good place to get reviews.
How long are we going to sit and talk about this? Because I think they might have switched off by now.
I think there's another good place to get reviews.
Okay.
Friends and family.
What? Just email them, say, can you give us a review,
No,
please?
just you know, you went to Phuket recently. Who did you use as your driver? What tours did you go on? What hotel did you go?
My mum and dad have reviewed 5-star Marine.
Oh really?
Yeah, they came on a tour.
That was the 1-star
That
review
was the
they
one
gave
star,
us.
because I was guiding that day. They hate me.
So anyway, if you are looking for 5-star Marine reviews, in the description of this video will be a link to where we get all
Over
of
there?
our reviews. Yes.
I better remember that because I need to write the description.
Yes.
Okay.
And that's it.
What's that face
you
behind the
can
camera? See that
also-
face behind the camera? What's that?
You are also welcome to drop a review
Yes.
below this video.
Or it's not a review, just comment.
Just comment.
Don't give us a review on this video because it's not that interesting.
Comment, like, subscribe.
Well done, mate.
Thanks, man.
Great. How long was that, Fang-a-lang-a-ding dong? No, don't touch the camera. Just tell me how long it was. 10 minutes? 10 minutes on review, Sean.
Yes, we're gonna get some SEO value.
We're going to get nothing for that.
SEO
People have
value,
switched
baby.
off already.
SEO value.
Anyway, Miguel, put some stuff on there to make it look pretty. Like and subscribe, thanks.